channel and thank you. This is the time of the year to enroll your benefits. Do not forget to enroll by your company's deadline. It can be a headache for a lot of people to choose which health insurance plan to enroll in. Typically, you'll see one of the options being a high deductible health plan or HDHP. A lot of people will be turned off when they see the word high deductible. I'm here to tell you do not, because chances are a high deductible health plan paired with a health savings account or HSA could be the best choice for you or your family, and I'll cover the considerations in a minute. So an HDHP or high deductible health plan has a few requirements in place. First, it has a higher annual deductible than traditional health plan, and it must meet the minimum deductible set by the IRS.
For 2023, the minimum deductible is $1,500 for self only and $3,000 for families. If the plan has a lower deductible for each family member, the individual member deductible cannot be less than the statutory minimum deductible for a family.
Second, there is a maximum annual limit on the total amount you are required to pay out of your own pocket for in-network expenses for covered services.
And that amount cannot exceed the statutory maximum out-of-pocket expenses set by the IRS each year. This includes your deductible, your co-payments, and co-insurance, but not monthly premiums.
When your company offers a high deductible health plan or HDHP, you want to check and see if it has an annual minimum deductible that's close to the dollar amount set by the IRS. If that were the case, and at the same time the plan has a maximum out-of-pocket amount that's significantly lower than the statutory maximum amount set by the IRS, chances are this HDHP can be a great choice for you and your family when an HSA is offered along with the plan. Effective in 2011, an HDHP covers certain preventive care at 100% without a deductible. Preventive care includes but is not limited to annual physical wellness visits, routine prenatal immunizations, and certain vaccinations and screenings. Do you know you can use your HSA to invest? That's what we've been doing. For 2022, the maximum contribution amount are $3,650 for self-only and $7,300 for families. My husband contributes $4,700 for the whole family, and his employer contributes $2,600 on our behalf. In total, that's $7,300. Since the beginning of the year, I was kind of predicting an economic downturn, and therefore, I was having my husband continue investing 40% of the HSA contribution each pay period to an S&P 500 index fund, but the remaining contribution goes to the cash account in a TD Ameritrade brokerage account to which we connected the HSA.
Just 2 weeks ago, I bought 35 shares of Amazon stock in my husband's HSA when I saw a crash in Amazon stock that combined with the 13 shares of Amazon stock I bought earlier in June. In total, I bought 48 shares of Amazon stock in his HSA at an average $100 a share.
The rest of the money in his HSA is all in the S&P 500 index fund.
For 2023, the maximum contribution amount will be increased to $3,850 for self-only and $7,750 for families. If you are 55 or older, you can contribute $1,000 more. Note that the limit includes both employee and employer contributions on employees' behalf.
An HSA offers
Quintuple
tax benefits. Number one, your contributions are either pre-tax or deductible at federal level as well as state, unless you're like me living in California or you are living in New Jersey. Number two, if your employer also contributes to your HSA, that amount is non-taxable at both federal and the state level except for California and New Jersey. Number three, you can enjoy tax-free growth in your HSA at federal and state. Well, note that in the state of New Hampshire, which does not have a state income tax, your account growth may be subject to state investment taxes. Number four, you can withdraw your HSA tax-free for qualified medical expenses at federal and the state level, once again, except for California and New Jersey. Number five, if you contribute to HSA through earned income and your employer offers that as part of a cafeteria plan, you can make pre-tax payroll contributions, in which case you will also save FICA and the Medicare taxes. Typically, that's 7.65% of the amount you contribute. If you think the content is helpful, hit the like button. You can save and invest your money in your HSA. Your unused funds carry year over year for use in the future. With that being said, you can leave your dollar in your HSA reaping compounding growth, and you can use your HSA funds even years after you incur the expenses to reimburse yourself. And that is the biggest advantage of an HSA over an FSA. Flexible savings account. Say if you determine the HDHP provided by your company paired with an HSA is the best choice for you and your family, definitely take the advantage of the HSA and at the same time do not contribute to a regular use FSA because you are generally not allowed to contribute to both accounts in the same year, but you can contribute to a limited purpose FSA or LPFSA, which can be used for dental and vision expenses only. You can contribute up to $30, $50 to this account in 2023. Another one is Dependent Care Flexible Spending Account, or DCFSA,
which can only be used to reimburse expenses to care for your eligible dependents so that you and your spouse can work, or you can work and your spouse can seek employment. The maximum amount you can contribute to a dependent care FSA depends on your marriage status as well as your income.
Both LPFSA and DCFSA can be paired with an HSA.
If you think the content is helpful, give it a thumbs up and share. And thank you. My channel is all about investing, taxes, and personal finance topics. Please consider subscribing my channel and turning on the notification bell if you are interested in these topics. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!